Del again with a couple of my Christmas presents, a couple of the many. This one's Roger Whittaker and the Christmas album. And not all the songs on here are famous, maybe one or two. This is vinyl. For those of you unacquainted with it, it looks like this, 33 and a third RPM. Got a side A and a side B. And I'm reading one of the sentences off the back of the album. An era where rock is king. I'm gonna get this straight so I don't misquote everything. In the arena where rock is king, Roger has helped give the romanticism of the Bing Crosby and Perry Como schools a gigantic rebirth. So that's his kind of singing. They call it kind of an easygoing style, put it that way. And so this is just a different take on things. So that's the one thing, and it's Christmas album, so it's it's pertainable to this time of the year. I got another one. This one's a double album. Two people on it: Robert Plant, Led Zeppelin's frontman, and Alison Krauss, Queen of Bluegrass. And this one, again, it's vinyl. This one has two albums to it, two records, and they've written some songs, and they did some. The first time I ever saw these two perform, they were redoing an Everly Brothers song called "Gone Gone Gone," and they just knocked it right out of the park. And then they started doing some songs that were written. And again, they're both extremely talented people, and they mesh well together. And they won all sorts of awards, the Grammys and the country thing and all that other stuff, those award shows. And then I think 14 years later they re-teamed and came back, and they're still good. So this is another Christmas present of mine. And
is it a gatefold where it opens up?
Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at what it looks like. Unfolded. And those are the lyrics there, the things, and sometimes when you got yin and yang, you got a Lennon and you got a McCartney, and they're different, the net result of what the public gets is just astounding. And in this case, you can just see the difference in their styles. He's got the long hair, and it's kind of rough, and he's a front man, a rock and roll front man, and she's nicer on the eyes, and she's extremely good musician, astounding singer, and the two of them get together, and it's magical chemistry. It's phenomenally out of this world. And so that was another one of my presents. And I don't have a vinyl player, a player anymore. So it's going to have to be something that just sits up on the wall. So Del signing off for now.